You're cruising along, music up, when suddenly, a little amber engine light pops on your dash. Instantly, your heart drops, the check engine light, dreaded by every driver. It's a symbol that something's wrong, but it never tells you what. Cue the anxiety and worst-case scenarios. You might even start imagining noises or problems that aren't there. But here's the truth. That light isn't a death sentence for your car. It's your car's way of saying, hey, pay attention, something needs checking. Today, I'll show you how to decode that message so you can turn panic into power. No more guessing or dreading, just knowledge and confidence. Let's get started. First, don't panic. The check engine light is more of a check me light than a danger light. Your car's onboard computer is constantly monitoring systems, and even a minor issue can trigger the light. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap or a worn sensor. If your car drives normally, no strange noises, no smoke, you likely don't have an emergency. The light is an early warning, not a disaster alarm. Ignoring it can turn a small fix into a big repair, but understanding it lets you act smart. Next, let's see how the light itself gives you clues about urgency. When your check engine light comes on, don't panic. The first thing to notice is whether the light is steady or flashing. This tells you how urgent the problem is and what you should do next. A steady check engine light means there's an issue, but it's not an emergency. You can keep driving for now, but make sure to schedule a visit to your mechanic soon. Ignoring it could lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. If the light is flashing, that's a sign of a serious problem. Like a misfire that could damage your engine or catalytic converter. Stop driving immediately to avoid costly repairs. Pull over safely and call for roadside assistance or a tow truck. Acting quickly can protect your car and your wallet. Understanding the difference between a steady and flashing check engine light can save you thousands in repairs and a lot of stress. Up next, we'll show you how to quickly diagnose what's wrong using simple tools you can find at home or online. When the check engine light comes on, don't panic or start guessing what might be wrong. Reach for an OBD-II scanner. This small device is one of the most powerful tools any car owner can have. Instead of relying on vague symptoms or worrying about expensive repairs, the scanner gives you direct access to your car's brain, letting you know exactly what's going on under the hood. Every car sold in the United States since 1996 is equipped with an OBD-II port. You'll usually find it tucked away just below the dashboard, often near the steering wheel. It's designed to be easy to access, so you don't need any special tools or mechanical skills to find it. To use the scanner, simply plug it into the port, then turn your car's key to the on position. No need to start the engine. The scanner will immediately communicate with your car's onboard computer, retrieving any trouble codes that have been stored. These codes, such as P0420 for a catalytic converter issue, or P0301 for a misfire in cylinder 1, are like a secret language your car uses to tell you what's wrong. Each code corresponds to a specific problem, making it much easier to pinpoint the issue. Once you have the code, you can look it up online or in the scanner's manual. There are countless resources and forums where you'll find detailed explanations, common causes, and even step-by-step repair guides for each code. This means you can get a quick, accurate diagnosis without leaving your driveway. With this information, you'll feel empowered and confident. You'll know what's wrong before you even talk to a mechanic, and you can avoid unnecessary repairs or upsells. Best of all, OBD-II scanners are affordable and incredibly easy to use. Many models cost less than a single visit to the repair shop, and they can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars in diagnostic fees over your car's lifetime. With a trouble code in hand, you're in control of your car's health. You can decide whether to tackle the repair yourself or bring it to a professional, armed with knowledge. Next, let's break down the most common causes for those check engine lights, and show you some easy fixes you can try at home, even if you're not a car expert. You'll be surprised at how many repairs are simple, straightforward, and totally doable, with just a little guidance and the right tools. When your check engine light comes on, it can feel overwhelming, but the truth is, most of the time, it's triggered by just a handful of common issues. Knowing what these are can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. Let's start with the simplest culprit, the gas cap. If it's loose, cracked, or missing, your car's computer will notice and turn on the check engine light. This is because a faulty gas cap can let fuel vapors escape, which affects your car's emission system. The fix is easy. Just tighten the cap until it clicks, or replace it if it's damaged. After a few drives, the light may turn off on its own. It's a quick check that can save you a trip to the mechanic. Next up is the oxygen sensor, a small but vital part that monitors how much unburned oxygen is in your car's exhaust. Over time, these sensors can wear out or get coated with residue, especially if you drive a lot or use lower quality fuel. A bad oxygen sensor can cause your engine to burn more fuel than necessary, hurting your gas mileage and increasing emissions. You might notice your car running rough or your fuel costs creeping up. Fortunately, replacing an oxygen sensor is a straightforward job for most vehicles. With a few basic tools and a little patience, many car owners can do it themselves. If you're not comfortable, a mechanic can swap it out quickly. The catalytic converter is another common trouble spot. It's responsible for reducing harmful emissions, but it can fail if other problems, like bad sensors or engine misfires, are ignored for too long. Replacing a catalytic converter can be expensive, so it's important to address issues early. Another frequent offender is the mass airflow, or MAF, sensor. This sensor measures the amount of air entering your engine, helping your car's computer balance fuel delivery for optimal performance. If the MAF sensor gets dirty, it can send incorrect readings, causing poor acceleration, rough idling, or even stalling. Luckily, cleaning it with a special MAF cleaner is a simple, inexpensive fix that can restore your car's performance in minutes. Don't forget about spark plugs and ignition coils. These parts are essential for igniting the fuel in your engine. Over time, spark plugs wear out, and ignition coils can fail, especially if you've racked up a lot of miles. When these parts go bad, you might notice your engine misfiring, running rough, or even a flashing check engine light, which means the problem needs immediate attention to avoid damaging your catalytic converter. The good news is that replacing spark plugs is one of the easiest and most affordable maintenance tasks you can do at home. Fresh plugs can make your engine run smoother and more efficiently. By starting with these common culprits, you can often solve the problem quickly and get back on the road with confidence. These fixes are the first things mechanics check, and for good reason. They're responsible for most check engine light issues. Many of these repairs are DIY friendly, requiring only basic tools and a little research. You don't need to be a professional to handle them, and you'll save money by avoiding unnecessary shop visits. However, if you've checked these items and the light stays on, it's time to dig deeper. Some problems require specialized diagnostic tools or a professional's expertise, especially if the issue is more complex or hidden. Taking care of these issues early can prevent much bigger, more expensive repairs down the road. Ignoring the check engine light can lead to engine damage, failed emissions tests, or costly breakdowns. So don't ignore that little light on your dashboard. It's your car's way of asking for help, and acting quickly can save you a lot of trouble. In the next section, we'll cover some simple habits and maintenance tips to help keep your check engine light off for good, so you can drive with peace of mind. Remember, a little knowledge and regular care go a long way toward keeping your car running smoothly and your dashboard warning-free. Preventing the check engine light is all about regular maintenance. Change your oil and fluids on schedule. Clean oil and proper coolant levels are essential. Replace air, fuel, and cabin filters regularly to keep systems running smoothly. Check your gas cap and spark plugs during routine checks. DIY maintenance saves money and helps you spot issues early. For big jobs, like timing belts or transmission work, see a trusted mechanic. The more familiar you are with your car, the faster you'll catch problems before they trigger the light. Stay proactive, and you'll avoid most surprises. Sometimes, you'll need a mechanic, but now, you're an informed customer. Bring your OBD-II code and describe any symptoms. For example, I scanned code P0171 and the car hesitates on acceleration. This shows you've done your homework and can't be upsold on unnecessary repairs. Ask for a clear explanation and a written estimate before approving any work. Request your old parts back to confirm replacements. A good mechanic will walk you through their process and answer your questions. If they're vague or defensive, consider another shop. Your knowledge ensures fair treatment and quality work. You're now a partner in your car's care, not just a customer. You've gone from dreading the check engine light to mastering it. It's not your enemy, it's your car's way of asking for help. You know the difference between steady and flashing lights, how to use a scanner, and the most common fixes. Handle simple repairs yourself and talk to mechanics with confidence. Every step you take saves money and stress. Next time that light comes on, you'll be ready. No panic, just action. Take control, drive smart, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with understanding your car. You've got this.